Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to open PowerPoint using Excel VBA. A lot of data frequently used in PowerPoint presentations comes from Excel, so it makes sense to automate the process of moving from Excel to PowerPoint. In our example, we have a blank Excel sheet and want to create a button which, when clicked, opens up the PowerPoint application. To do this, we'll firstly go into the Developer tab and click Visual Basic. Next, we need to set a reference to the Microsoft PowerPoint object library. To do this, we click Tools, followed by References, and then we scroll down until we find Microsoft PowerPoint, which we'll select. Now that we've done this, we can insert a new module by going into Insert and clicking Module, and we can write our code to open PowerPoint from Excel. We will call our macro Open Presentation, and we will firstly declare three variables: one to represent the PowerPoint application, one to represent the PowerPoint presentation, and one to represent the slides within the PowerPoint application. We will then open PowerPoint and create a new presentation using the following code. Finally, we will add a new slide as slide 1 with a title-only layout and set the focus to it. If you want to assign a title to the slide automatically, you can declare the following variable. We can then add the following code, which is telling Excel to assign the text the Excel hub to the title of the slide. Next, we can exit the VBA editor and test our macro. We will now insert a button and assign the macro that we've just created. When we click the button, the presentation should open up. As you can see, a PowerPoint presentation with one slide has been created, and the title is the Excel Hub. So that's how to open PowerPoint and add a slide using Excel VBA. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for future Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.